Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I am sharing some Outgoing Christmas Happy Mail. This is going out to Gina at Gina Loves to Craft. I know you all know who she is. This is the project that I'm sending her. It's a Hello Kitty card, and I am sending her out some flat mail. I recently hauled a Hello Kitty paper pad, and I just cut one of those out that had the cute Hello Kitty right on the front of the paper. When you open it up, I did write her a little note on this little Hello Kitty post-it note, which I'm going to put in here once I seal it up. On this side, I made a pocket using the same paper, and I'm including this sticker sheet, this letter writing stationery with a matching envelope, this little envelope with a note that can fit inside, a little Hello Kitty face. Then I just have a few different kinds of Hello Kitty note papers. These are all from my Hello Kitty stash. I also had some Hello Kitty washi, which I used down there to help decorate this pocket. I'm including some of my dewdrops for her. On this side, I made this pocket using the We Are Memory Keepers fold over tags. I made this Merry Christmas word, and then I made these Christmas Hello Kitties for her. This is the Cricut cartridge that I used to create the Hello Kitty as well as the Merry Christmas word. This Christmas flat mail is going out to Gina. I hope you like these Hello Kitty surprises, Gina. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a great day.